Hi guys, welcome back to Spotora channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to add Google account on eBay for Android. And for that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the start it. And the first one, as usual, you can go to the eBay application, tap on the eBay. And after that you can see there is a three strip in the upper of the left corner. You can tap on, and let's go to the settings right away here. Tap on the settings. Okay, for the next step, please tap on the sign in and security, and let's go to the Google account here. You can tap on beside the Google account until it has the blue one. But don't forget to sign in with Google. Tap on the sign in with Google. Okay, choose an account that you want to add for your eBay application. And account is linked. You can now use Google to sign in into your eBay account on any device. Okay, tap on the continue. And now I think it's enough to how to add Google account on eBay for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. It's very simple way to do it, yeah. Enjoy this video. Thank you for the attention and bye.